Elkoman presents KOBRA C1, the entry level of the classic line. KOBRA C1 shreds up to 9 sheets at a time, shreds credit cards and films. Starts automatically at material intake. Shredding can be stopped and reversed just by pushing the stop reverse button. Convenient and safe 230 millimeter throat. 18-liter environmentally friendly bin, does not require plastic bags, and is equipped with a front window to easily check shred level. The energy-saving system puts the shredder into standby mode at zero consumption. Cutting knives are made of carbon-hardened steel, unaffected by staples and metal clips. 24-hour continuous duty motor without duty cycle. The outstanding performances, the powerful and quiet motor make the KOBRA C1 suitable for personal use in small office.